This is in Boulder at Siena Square. Oh boy. It's a cool atrium, but that mod's not really cool looking. Huh. Interesting cab. Very interesting cab. Excuse me, look like. Just your basic innovation prestige fixtures. Levels quick. That's a nice view. Yeah, these used to be Continental probably, or US. Same thing really. Oh. Just some political garbage. Don't want to show that on the camera. This is a really cool building though. Looks like that used to be a fountain maybe? Anyway. That'll be it.